Welcome back. Facebook shares have surged more than 35% from their December lows. Today, options traders are betting on some upside. Pete Najarian joins us live from Minneapolis with that unusual activity. Pete?
Hey, how are you, Scott? Yeah, it's pretty interesting because this is a stock that started off the year at 131. We know all of the different subject matter that's caused a lot of people a lot of very interesting consideration of where this stock's going to go. And yet here we are trading around that 168 area, and people seem to still think there's more upside left. So when you look at the actual fundamentals of the stock right now, Scott, it looks great. This is trading at 22 times. It's got a 19 forward. And maybe there is a little bit more upside because of that. Maybe it is because when you look at the cash flows and you look at what their cash is versus their debt, it's absolutely unbelievable. So there is possibilities. They've committed to trying to get these privacy things taken care of. They're buying next week, next Friday's expiring. These are April 5th calls on the 172.5 strike. Bought about 4,000 of those, a little over $1. Call it $1.25 for those calls. Also buying the very first week in May calls as well, the 170s there. So we're seeing both being bought, and maybe there's some upside still to come. Stock has gotten as high as 173 this year, a little bit higher than that. Maybe it's got a little bit room for a breakout. We got another one for you as well, JD. JD is pretty interesting to me because somebody who had just bought a week or so ago is rolling out of some of the calls that they bought just last week and rolling out and up. They're actually going to the first week in May, May 3rd, expiring the 29.5 call. Stock was trading under 29. It's trading around 28.80. Somewhere in that range when they actually bought these calls. They bought these for about $1. 5,000 of those traded. I bought into Facebook. I bought into these JDs. I like what we're seeing here, but let's remember, I heard you guys talking at the top of the show. This is still a trading market. This market's up one day, down one day. It's a trading market where you've got to be extremely disciplined, and obviously the news base that we're going off of every single day is changing all of the different aspects of what we're looking at, so continue to be very disciplined because it is a trading market.
Yep.